Hi, welcome. I was just building ArcoLinux LTS version for next month, and I'm on herbstluftwm, and I think it needs some explanation how to actually burn an ISO on your USB on herbstluft. We have this application that's called mintstick, so it's coming from the distribution Linux Mint, and it has two possibilities: to format things or to make an ISO. Now, most of the people don't know how to write all this, but basically you could just say -m and decide I want to format it. No, we don't want that. We want to build an ISO, and then you need to be able to run it if there is a dash, and then everything pops up, and then you can say there's the ISO, there's the USB, go, done. But I didn't do it like that. I went to Alt F3. And this gives you, again, our well-known, and hopefully you started with this with XFC, so you know it's in accessories. You know it's called USB image writer. You launch it, done. That's how I launched it. Not through the terminal, but it can be done through the terminal as well. All right, fun.